surprise egg! What do you think is inside the egg? You put it over a fire. It's used to make potions. It starts with the letter C. A cauldron. Cauldron. Did you like this? Subscribe, like this video, share with your friends.